I believe this is a 2004 Honda Accord. So when I hit the gas, you hear the noise? When I hit the gas, the noise goes away.
Welcome to my channel. DIY mechanic.
So when I hit the gas, you hear the noise? When I hit the gas, the noise goes away. When I let go of the gas, when I brake, the noise goes away. Hold on a second. Let's see if we can figure this one out. Alright, so here we go. Alright, so if I'm driving, as long as I keep the foot on the gas, no noise. I let go. You hear that? I hit the gas, no noise. And when you go slow, it's even louder. But when I hit the brake, the noise goes away. So this is a tricky one. Let me see. Hit the gas, let it go. Hit the gas, let it go. When I turn to the right, no noise. Turn to the left, it make it worse. So when I turn to the left, it sounds really bad. So at this point, I would think it's gonna be the bearings inside the axle. They're dry. All right, let me jack up the car and check it out. See, when you go slow, slow is even worse. It's not like something is getting destroyed in there. Alright, so here we got the Honda Accord, 2006 Honda Accord. So we're gonna jack it up and see what we see on the CV axle, or inspect the wheel bearing, see what it is.
Well, the axle is not broken. But what I did notice
was I was taking the wheel off,
and 3 lug nuts, they were loose. So I'm gonna go test drive it again and see if that fixed the problem. If not, we're gonna have to replace the axle. Even though it looked good from the outside, it could be dry in the inside. So let me go and test drive it and see what happened.
Alright guys, so I got good news. So look, I let go of the gas, I turn, no noise, brake, no noise, turn the other way, no noise. So that was the fix. Oh my god, I can't believe it, these people. So there you go. If you guys have the weird noise coming on only when you let go of the gas, it goes away when you brake. When you brake, it goes away when you accelerate, and it gets worse when you turn to one of the, either left or right. It gets worse. Check your wheels. Maybe one of your wheels coming off. So in this case, yeah, that was a problem in this case. So as you can see, I'm turning right here. Remember, it was super loud when it used to make a left. Wow, that was an easy fix. All right, see you on the next one. Let me know if you like my hat.
All right, see you.